Looking at our plans, the distance between the armrests is 45 inches. The rough cut dimension shows that our seat length is 46 inches. This is our oversized rough cut dimension. We want to begin by first squaring up the end of each of these boards. We can then measure and mark these boards at 46 inches. Do not follow the chalk lines. Create new cut lines with a pencil. We can then complete our cut at 46 inches. And at this point, we have 5 pieces of varying widths. They all are cut to a length of 46 inches. If we combine them together, we have a width of 23 3/4 inches. Our objective based on the rough cut list is that we need to be more than 18 1/4 inches. So we're still looking good at this point.